Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So I was walking today. All of a sudden I saw this on the street. It is going all the way to the other side. Do you know what it is? This is to measure traffic. So what happens is when cars move on it, as you see, the count gets up by one, and within a particular time frame they calculate, and based on that they do take traffic decisions, like whether to have a separate signal or whatever, like a lot of traffic decisions our government take. So this is a very good tool, and you can see it is going to the other side also. And this is not only here. Morning I was driving and I saw it on the other street too. And yeah, it's a good way to determine traffic, and it's nice, cool. So thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.